What's going on, YouTube's Big Hit Mayfield? First time making a video. Just bought The Last of Us Part 2 Collector's Edition. My beautiful wife, of course, got this for me, and I think it was December. She pre-ordered it for my birthday, of course. It didn't come out in February, and then it was supposed to come out in March. Still didn't come out in March, and then of course, now today is June 19th of 2020. Went to GameStop, they opened up at 12 o'clock. Finally got it, huge line. Of course, I was the first one there. So I want to have, of course, my little 3-year-old daughter helping me unbox it. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Can you help me? And just to let everybody know, I am going to be live streaming the gameplay of The Last of Us Part 2 sometime today, maybe just for 30 minutes or so. Okay, that is the box. Oh, I'm going to turn it around. Alright, now don't rip it, Ellie. Careful, careful. It looks like there's another box in a box. Alright, let's see. Maybe if I turn it sideways and try to maybe dump it without like ruining it. Alright, you want to grab this in, Ellie? Pull it, pull it, pull it. There you go. Oh Lord, can't do this. Uh-oh. You good? Oh my Lord, this is like really, it's really hard. Get out. Yeah, let's just do it like this. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this is the box, the outside box. Watch out, Ellie. Here, turn around. This is, of course, or it's upside down actually. Let me turn it off for y'all. There we go. See? That's the box. Now, I guess another box in a box. Okay. So this is what we got so far. Maybe if you want to stand up and show everybody. That's what it looks like. Look. Yes, careful. Looks like it's a book. Okay. Hold on, Ellie. This might be the game case right here. It's a steelbook case. Okay, yeah, let's not say we did.
Can I play this one? I want this one.
Okay, that's fine, Ellie, but not right now. We're unboxing.
This
We're
one?
we're unboxing first. We're going to show everybody what came in the collector's edition. Looks like it came with a couple of, this is like the art of The Last of Us Part 2. So that's what pretty much different arts. Okay, here's that.
There's something else.
Okay, we got something else. I wonder what this can be. You want to show everybody, show all the YouTubers? Oh, let's not rip that. Yeah, let's not rip that. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is. Hold on, Ellie. This looks like it's like maybe, looks like the director for The Last of Us Part 2. Maybe a letter from them. Okay, well, we're gonna put that away. I don't want to read that.
Can I lay down?
Yeah, not right now, Ellie. Watch out. Okay.
What's this?
Alright, this is, oh, there we go. There's more to it.
Wow.
Hold on, Ellie. Looks like this came with some plastic on top of it to protect it. Looks like this is where all the good stuff is. Looks like it came with some pins.
And some this.
Some pins. What is this? Looks like some stickers. And fireflies. Okay, I already showed them that, Ellie. And here's Ellie, maybe Ellie's bracelet. Okay, there's that. I'm so excited to play this game. I'm really wanting to play it right now. Alright, it looks like there's another box in here.
A bigger box.
Yeah, that's a bigger box. Let's put this one back. Okay, so there's this. Hold on, Ellie. There's one way that it opens up. Alright, we're going to find out what's in here. It looks like a piece of plastic. You just toss that in there. There you go. You can grab that. There you go. Toss it in there. No way. No way. Oh, this is it right here. Looks like the statue of Ellie. I'm not even going to take it off of the plastic. And that's it right there. If you want to get a closer look at it. Pretty cool. Of course, I'm not wanting to focus. Pretty cool. Turn it around so y'all can see the back. Pretty cool. I love her backpack. Originally, we tried to.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you can look at it. Originally, we tried buying the. Ellie's edition, but they were all sold out in like a matter of minutes. And then they were supposed to sell some more in March, I believe. I don't know, I don't remember the exact date, but we tried pre-ordering that day as well, and they were sold out in a couple of minutes. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get her backpack, and I believe there's a patch that comes with it as well. But it also comes with all this that you're seeing here in front of you. So, yeah, just stay tuned. I will be live streaming today the game for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. Not sure what time. But yeah, hopefully y'all like to enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Say bye, Ellie. Say bye.